Carriage, the inevitable companion of the human being. Human beings used horses, camels and even the elephants as the carriage until 200 years ago. Today the automobiles and the motorized vehicles have taken the place of the animals as the carriages. Almost everyone has a vehicle now. Unfortunately, these vehicles are not perfect, and like every property, they have a lifespan. However, it is possible to extend the lives of the vehicles, and here other technologies of human are put into use. The malfunctions like the noisy running of the engine, the abnormal fuel consumption of the vehicle, unusual and extra smoke emission from the exhaust of the vehicle, the lower output of the vehicle due to the overheating, which may occur at the end of the vehicle's long time operation, can be eradicated easily thanks to these high technologies. The mentioned problems are mainly generated from the collisions formed between the piston rings and engine liners. The mentioned problems are mainly generated from the collisions formed between the piston rings and engine liners. The most economical solution of these problems is to recondition the engine completely. Engine reconditioning machines are the basic solutions of these problems. When the engine reconditioning machines are mentioned, the machines to process all sorts of the engines with piston are understood. For instance, the engines of a simple one-stroke motorbike, air compressor, 4 or more cylinder car, truck, bus, tractor, heavy-duty machines, race cars, ships, and aircraft engines with piston are the ones to be processed with these machines. These are the machines to be used to recondition those engines. Cylinder reconditioning machine. This provides the reconditioned engine liner to be well adjusted with the sizes of the new piston and rings at the proper geometry. Cylinder honing machine. This provides the interior surface of the reconditioned engine liner to be of a smooth interior surface. Surface grinding and milling machine. This provides the surface of the engine block to be smooth and the gasket to work properly. Connecting rod boring machine. It provides the smoothing out the bearings connecting rod which is between the piston and crankshaft to move more productively. Line boring machine. It is the machine to process the crankshaft and camshaft bearings. Crankshaft grinding machine. It provides the grinding of the crankshaft, which is one of the most responsive parts of the engine. Valve grinding machine. It eradicates the weariness of the engine valves resulted from the overheating. Of course, the exactness of the engine reconditioning is also as important as the exactness of the engine reconditioning machines which will process to do so. A powerful name since 1988 to provide you this quality and count the European norms and being in the service of every branch of the industry, HONMAKSAN. HONMAKSAN, with the title of HONMAKSAN Engine Reconditioning Machines and Trade Incorporation, offers worldwide, quick, economical and practical solution. HONMAKSAN, renewing themselves with the intention of taking the production quality to perfect condition, traces the latest technologies very closely and reflects their experience and technology of the age to their products and manufacturing. Manufacturing automatic hydraulic honing machine, connecting rod boring machine, line boring machine, cylinder reconditioning and milling machine, surface grinding and planer, crankshaft straightening press, crankshaft and cylinder grinding machine, workshop press types ranging between 80 to 200 tons, vertical column drill, and valve grinding machine. HONMAKSAN has taken their place among the pioneer companies of the world with their qualified staff and their production conforming to the international standards and having high technology. Setting up their sale and service network from the Europe to Eastern Asia, from Africa to Middle East, HONMAKSAN has proven their quality at the world quality by getting the ISO 9001-2000 Quality Assurance Certificate. HONMAKSAN, sharing all their righteous pride to meet the demands of their customers in a quick manner with all their employees, is in the effort to manufacture products which operate under the heavy industry conditions without a problem, and meet your demands in order to provide customer satisfaction. HONMAKSAN is also near the customers with their after-sale servicing and supports, and will be near them all the time. HONMAKSAN Incorporation will always carry on working to approach the best with the appreciation and criticism of their customers.